Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are going to design a SolidWorks motion analysis with use of the Happy Birthday Black. Here we can use to animate the Happy Birthday Black. This is going to select calculate, and then this is to be animated in excellent manner. These presentations to be using of any kind of presentation for your girlfriends, those kind of things is a more useful things. And for these kind of designs to be modified, and then the same design you can use to present your girlfriend. This is for very attractive manner. Here it is excellently animated here. Now going to see how to be animated this Happy Birthday Black. First going to select assembly, and the first component, you can select this first component, second component, third component, you can select first one. Okay, I'm going to change the axis for Z axis. Okay, you can fixed. And I'm going to change the background color, so plain white. Going to open the first model to be given color. Select entire component and give a color. Automatically it should be change the color. And going to assemble. Okay, this plate should be fixed. Now going to select the next component, second component. Can change the axis for x-axis and y-axis. You can fix there. And again the same component should be selected for next one. And third component, this is also same, but different number of beams you can use. That is what you can use, that 3 number of beams you can use. Okay, now it is completed. Now I'm going to matte. The side surface and this side surface you can select, and then matte. And this side surface and this plain side surface you can matte. And bottom you can fix in top surface. Going to select. Okay, it is to be fixed. Now the next command. Before that you can use that another one copy with matte command. This is used to the same components. You can use that matte. You can select an component and just do arrow mark, click arrow mark, and select the first matte, this surface. Okay, the edge of the surface you can select, and this surface. Okay, now going to select the top surface. Okay, it is to be assembled. Now the center component, this is to be, we can going to matte. For the top surface, going to the datum plane, the first component, the right datum plane, and then the last component, top datum plane, both should be matte. constant mat. Now it is center, then going to bottom surface to top surface, you can mat, and this side surface and this side surface. Now it is fixed. Okay, it is completed. Again going to insert the command. Going to the oscillating lever, we change the axis. Okay, here is also going to mat the circumference and then hole. At the same time, this side you can fix in hole in inner section. Okay, now going to mat right plane, and then the last component right plane you can fix it here. Okay, now going to copy mat. For this command, you can select this and click arrow mark, and you can select the inner hole, and this side is also, and then going to select a datum plane. Just should extract the assemble tree. You can select right plane. Okay, it is completed. Just got to drag it, it's to be automatically coming down. And the next one, select inner hole and both sides. And datum plane. Right datum plane you can select. This mat is completed. Drag it and down. Now going to fix there. Happy birthday section black. This is mat. The constant mat is to be inner surface, and then the outer surface of the black. This is to be concentric mat, sorry. And we can select the right datum plane. The same time the black is also, you can select that. Right datum plane should be matted. The another one way is there, you can select, and both surface you can select and mat it. This is for width advanced width command. This is for flat surfaces available in the sense you go to use that command, but here no flat surface, so that is what we can use that datum plane. You can select the same copy with mat and contacted surface, and select the datum plane. Right plane you can select. Okay, and the next component, can select the surface and again the right plane. Just have to minimize the remaining trees, component trees. Okay, it is completed now. Okay, now going to all the mats are the easiest way for completing the with use of copy with mat command. Now we will just have to drag it and then locating the proper location of the bed tray block. I want to save, rebuild and save. Now going to animation. First thing going to give a gravity for the y axis, and then we can give it for contact. So to select all the components, give a contact. Just have to drag it the edge of the component. Now going to give a contacted for each and every block. First we can give these two component, select, and then next to the component you can select it. Now going to hide the components, hide the beams can be hide. It is to be really very nice to see this for this animation. Happy birthday with slight head shaking motions to be slightly it's a good way of looking. Thank you for watching our Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.